Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful necklace. I'm going to make it with the beads that I have from the February treasury bags from the Potomac beads. So we are going to be using these materials that I got from them. So we're going to start by grabbing the focal heart that they sent me, and we are going to grab one of the eye pins that they sent me. We are going to pick up one bead. For this one, it doesn't matter, it can be any type of bead. Remember, anytime I show you something, they're just suggestions. You can change anything you want. So we are going to put another bead, but I don't really like the way it's looking, so I'm going to remove that one and try to adjust the bead without it. So I'm going to take that off. Going to grab my round nose pliers. I'm going to put them on the wire, and we are going to bend the wire 45 degrees. We are going to put our pliers on top of the wire, and we are going to bring the wire towards us. We are going to rotate the pliers, and we are going to continue pushing the wire until it touches the pliers again. And you gotta be patient with me. When you are filming, it's a little bit hard to do it. If you're not filming, it's very easy, and also if you don't have a limited space. We are going to grab our bent nose pliers, and we are going to wrap the rest of the wire around. The other thing you gotta keep in mind that since I am filming, my work, it doesn't look as good as at the end result, because sometimes I redo what I do just to make it better. So just try to do your best while you are creating your jewelry. You are going to push the end in until you don't have any sharp edges. We are going to grab another eye pin, and you can use wire as well. For this one, I'm just gonna bend it up. You can use different things to do it. I just figure since I got those eye pins, I'm just gonna utilize them. So I'm just gonna bend it to stop my bead and squish it. You can use a ball pin, you can use a different wire that you have available. We are going to squish it a little bit more. Remember, the main goal is not to have any sharp edges. And we are going to grab our bead, and we are going to pass the wire through that bead. We are going to put our round nose pliers at the end of the bead, and we are going to rotate 45 degrees. We are going to bring the wire toward us, and we are going to continue until we touch the pliers. Before we close this loop, we have to put our focal piece through that loop that we have. And right now we are going to use our bent nose pliers, and we are going to wrap around. We are going to cut the wire, and we are going to hide the end of the wire, and then we can fix our wrapping, and we should have the first part of our necklace. What we are going to do next, we are going to grab some of the wire that we also received from the Potomac beads. I'm going to grab a crimping bead. I'm going to pass my wire through the loop attached to the heart. We are going to pull, and we are going to use our crimping tools. I'm going to use the magic ones, and it's not going to look perfect because remember, I don't have enough space while I'm filming and I can't see exactly what I'm doing, and I apologize for that. So we're just going to push and rotate and push, and we are going to continue until we create that little ball that usually these pliers do. And right now we are ready to start adding our beads. I'm going to be adding random beads. So for this, I'm going to just add whatever I feel like it. So you can just do the same. And when I am done adding the beads that I want, we are going to just finish the necklace with a cream bead and with a clasp. So once you're done with the length that you like, we are going to I'm done adding all the beads, and right now I'm going to grab one of my cream beads and I'm going to add the clasp. We are going to pass the wire back through the crimping bead, and we are going to use a crimping tool again so we can finish our necklace. So once you finish with the first one, you are going to repeat the same step on the other side, and technically you are done with your necklace. This is a very simple necklace, but it's really pretty. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. I apologize, this video is a little bit blurry, but when you are working with wire, it's a little bit hard to keep the camera focused. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments, let me know what you think, and also let me know what would you like to see in the future. Until next time, bye bye.